Tagwirei has become one of the most controversial figures in Zimbabwean politics. Once a businessman, he now sits at the center of debates about corruption, political influence, and the health of ZANU-PF. Sadapina Mashkubdani questions corruption, influence, and independence. The Tagwirei question: is Zimbabwe's independence at risk? Very subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Salanas Makumichi Anoyanyer Achiti. Critics allege Tagwirei used the money to secure influence, entering the party's central committee through backdoor channels rather than grassroots processes. Once inside, he is accused of fueling factions by backing allies like Themba Mliswa, deepening divisions within the party. His name is also linked to state processes that affect ordinary Zimbabweans. The high cost of passports compared to the rest of the regions has sparked public anger, and Tagwirei is often cited in connections with the control over parts of the system. Public perception was shaped further by viral images of war veterans kneeling to receive money from him while he stood. For many, the scene broke with the respect due to the veterans who secured Zimbabwe's independence and symbolized a shift toward wealth and power over history and sacrifice. Tagwirei is also the one who controls the fuel sector, and Zimbabwe is the most expensive fuel in the region. This shows that wherever Tagwirei puts his hands, he wants to bleed citizens for their benefit. The core question remains: when wealth translates into political power outside formal democratic channels, what happens to institutional integrity and the meaning of independence? Doma developments are not questionable. Kunawakomana weZANU-PF particularly takanana kuda kwechitagwirei pinakomese kuchemedu mboti zamafundo enyu munoti kudi pamusoro these developments. Vanhu vachema naye vachiti pese pabata aiwa vanhu vakutochema maprizes akutokwira. Pinakomese kuchemedu zvafundo enyu. So subscribe or like chitono bell icon.